Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss how to push your projects or solutions to SonarQube server and measure the quality of your code. Most of the time when we are going to start a project, team likes to start finding quality issues in your code. Even for an existing project, when you are working in a large scale project with multiple teammates, months by months your code base is growing. Even though you have fulfilled customers' business requirements, it will be a nightmare to maintain and modify a poorly written code base. You will not be able to find and fix the issues easily. Troubleshooting will take more time than your development time. A newcomer to the project will not be able to understand and make changes to your code properly. So maintaining a good quality code will provide you a lot of benefits to your team, to the company, as well as to your clients. So I am in the SonarQube home page. So let's move to the SonarQube download page and get the community edition. I am going to install SonarQube server to my machine, so you can go with the community edition, that's free. So I will hit on the download for free button. When you are configuring the Sonar scanner for your projects, you have to first install Java JDK. So you can move to Java JDK download site from here. So you can download a JDK for your SonarQube configuration, or else you can download OpenJDK binaries. So this is the site for that. So you can download the OpenJDK binaries from here. Also, you can check OpenJDK versions available from this site as well. So when I was doing this video, I tried to go for the latest version of OpenJDK 17, but I got some compatibility issues with SonarQube configurations. So because of that, I moved to JDK 15 here. So you can find these versions of OpenJDK is available from this place. So I have sticked into OpenJDK 15.0.2. So when configuring the SonarQube, you have to do the groundworks and make the framework by installing OpenJDK or Oracle JDK. The biggest difference between OpenJDK and Oracle JDK is licensing. OpenJDK is open source Java with a general public license, and Oracle JDK needs a commercial license. It involves a costing, but it has great support. Okay, let's move to the place where SonarQube is downloaded. So in here, let's go to the conf directory and open this wrapper file. So here you have to change the path to the Java file. So this path to this Java file from the bin directory in OpenJDK folder you have downloaded. So I will move into the OpenJDK folder. I have downloaded 15.0.2. So in here, let's go to the bin and try to find the Java file. So I will copy the path and come here, and I will paste the path, add Java, and save this wrapper file. Okay, then let's again go to the downloaded directory of the SonarQube server, that's here. Let's move into the bin folder. Since I'm going to install this SonarQube server in my Windows machine, I will move into the Windows folder, and you can find this start sonar bat file. So let's double click on it. So it will try to start the local Sonar server. You can see the logs, it's starting. So we'll wait for a moment. Once you see the message, the SonarQube is up and running. So let's move to the local into the browser and type localhost 9000. So that's the default port. So let's try to log into the SonarQube server. So by default, your your admin account login details, login credentials are admin and admin, username admin and password admin. So I will click on the login button. You have a prompt to update your password. So I will update my password. So now you can see the local SonarQube server is up and running. For now you don't have any projects. Let's try to upload our first project to SonarQube. When you want to run Sonar Scanner for your .NET projects, you have to install a special utility for the .NET Sonar Scanner. So I will try to do that. I will use my Visual Studio 2022 command prompt. So you have to type this command. You have to install .NET Sonar Scanner globally here. Let's see what is happening. It will take a while to install the .NET Sonar Scanner. Okay, now you can see the .NET Sonar Scanner is successfully installed with the latest version. Okay, so let's try to upload our source code to the Sonar Scanner. So first of all, let's move to the place where your solution files are available. So it's here. So I will open a command prompt from here. So let's type .NET Sonar Scanner, whether this .NET Sonar Scanner is available. Yeah, we have the Sonar Scanner for MS Build 553 here. So then you have to begin analyzing your project with the begin command. So as the error message that we are getting, so I will type the command like this. So you have to provide in .NET Sonar Scanner, you have to use the begin command to start analyzing your project. First of all, you have to provide a key to your project, that's student management I am using, and you have to provide your login details and password. You have to set this password field when starting to analyze the project. If not, you will end up with an error message saying the token you have provided have insufficient rights to check the so it will so it have started this begin process. So if everything is good, it will say this processing pre-processing is succeeded. Then let's build the .NET project with .NET build command. So I will type the .NET build command here. So it will build all of your CS proj files in the solution and provide a report in your console window. So like here, so we have an error. Let's wait a while until everything runs perfectly and smoothly. Yeah, you can see some warnings and one error message. So let's end this .NET Sonar Scanner with end command. So this is the end command you have to provide. You have to end this .NET Sonar Scanner. You have to provide your login details and password. So you have to provide these credentials when the Sonar Scanner beginning as well as in the end. So you can see this analysis successful message with the report URL in this local server, localhost 9000. Yeah, so analysis is successful. So you can browse to this URL, or else you can move to your local Sonar server. So here let's move to project. So you can see student management is available. So you can see this project report is uploaded to the local Sonar server. So you can move to the issues tab, and you can see what are the blockers, critical issues and major issues. So if you want to push your projects to a remote SonarQube server, you have to pass this parameter sonar.host.url parameter when you are starting this analysis and when you are ending this one. So this is the Visual Studio project that I am trying to upload to the SonarQube server. So do you know about the Sonarlint extension? That's a sonar scanner you can run when you build the solution in your local machine. So you in Visual Studio you can go to extensions, manage extensions. So you can search for Sonarlint here, and you can download this one and you can enable this one. Then it will show up whatever the code smells in your code in your local machine. Once you have successfully added and enabled the Sonarlint extension, in my project I will show you. So you can see some when you build your project, you can see some errors and warnings. So we'll go to the error list, and here you will see some Sonarlint code smells started from S. So here in my test the test class, so it says you have to add at least one assertion. So so if you want to get this code smells report, so that's already available in SonarQube server. If you want to get the code smells reports to your local machine and fix them, what you can do is you can go to the Team Explorer. In home you can see SonarQube, and you can bind this local Sonar URL to your SonarQube connections. In there you have to provide your credentials, and also you can generate a token if you don't want to provide username and password. So let's go to the SonarQube server here. So you have to go to this my account. So let's move to the security tab. So you can provide a name to the token and click on generate. So you have created a new token. So you let's copy it and store somewhere safe if you want to use it in future. So I have ran another SonarQube quality report in my project, in the same project. So from Visual Studio you can see all these scanned reports under your project. So if you move to here and click on refresh, and let's click on update, and let's click on show all projects. You can see this the new scan that has already been that has already run in your project. So you can click on bind, so it will get all the warnings, issues, major, minor stuff into your machine. So again I will move here. So now you can see all the quality issues that's available as per the second report that's available in your local Sonar server. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you learned something.